guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a glitch effect for your edits on Video Store, and you don't even need to use any overlays for this. This is really easy, so let's just get straight into the video. Okay, so to begin with, you're already going to want to have your video in the clip you want the glitch effect to be in. This also works for photos. So press on New, Re-Effect, and then press on this plus button, and then make sure you're under this section with the 9 boxes, and then look up strips H if you don't know where it is. Now use this up arrow, and you can select any of these options, but I'm selecting the move all option. Now press this down arrow. So what you want to do from here is you are going to press Re-Effect, and it will play through your video. And this slider right here controls how strong your effect is during certain parts of the video. So this button up here changes the time your video plays at. So for this effect, we're going to press on the button and it will change so your video plays at half the speed. Okay, you're going to press Re-Effect and then just copy what I do. I hope you guys found this tutorial useful. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!